17 years. That's how long Sindh has gone without a new Provincial Finance Commission or PFC award. The last one was issued in 2002 and expired in 2007. But to this day, funds are still being distributed on that outdated formula. This according to reporting by Javed Bukhari in Dawn's Business and Finance Weekly. The delay matters. Local bodies say they are being deprived of badly needed finances even as their expenditures keep rising. Take the Karachi's Municipal Corporation. In 2023 to 2024, it needed nearly rupees 29 billion for non-salary expenses. It received just rupees 18 billion, leaving an 11 billion rupee hole. KMC argues that despite contributing 60% of Sindh's octroi tax revenue, it doesn't get its fair share in return. Meanwhile, Sindh's development outlay for FY26 is over $1 trillion. That includes rupees 520 billion for the Provincial Annual Development Program and rupees 55 billion for district ADPs. But with no updated PFC award, local governments remain sidelined. Sindh Chief Minister Murad Ali Shah has promised efficiency and transparency in district development schemes. He set approval limits between rupees 5 million and rupees 60 million depending on the authority, and directed deputy commissioners to act as project directors. Funds for ongoing projects will be released in 2 installments, for new schemes in 4, but critics say such structural issues run deeper. Economist Dr. Kaisar Bengali points out that the PFC has no constitutional protection. He argues the constitution should clearly spell out the powers and finances of local governments just as it does for the federation and provinces. Politically, the fallout is already visible. The PMLN has pulled its support from the PPP-led local government in Karachi, citing poor performance by Mayor Murtaza Wahab. At a press conference, PMLN leaders pointed to garbage piling up across neighborhoods as proof of administrative failure.
एक रोड की सफाई करेंगे, सफाई करने के बाद वहाँ पे ये खुद जाएंगे और ये फोटो बना करके उसको ये मीडिया पे ये वायरल करते हैं ये। तो इन चीज़ों को मद्देनजर देखते हुए अब हमने हमारी तमाम टीम और चेयरमैन और क़यादत से हमने मशवरा करने के बाद अब हम ये चाह रहे हैं कि इनको 1 हफ्ते का टाइम देते हैं। 1 हफ्ते में अगर इन्होंने इस शहर के हालात ठीक नहीं किए तो हम इनसे अलग हो जाएंगे।
And in an opinion piece for Dawn, former Federal Secretary Mohammad Yunus Daga went even further. He argued that the 7th NFC award at the 18th Amendment actually took powers away from the local governments rather than bringing governance closer to the people. Daga suggests that the 11th NFC should restore direct transfers to local governments, tie provincial shares to PFC operations, and ensure transparency in the use of funds infrastructure development case collected at Karachi Port. For now, though, Sindh is still operating on an award issued nearly 2 decades ago, and until a new PFC is announced, the gap between what local governments need and what they actually get will continue to grow. That's a wrap for now. If you want to read Javed Bukhari's full article, we have linked it in the description below.